Hello, William Jumping, welcome to my channel. So, you're watching a series video about Godot development, and previously we talked about the signal, but we did not quite finish. So, signal got a lot of usage cases. So, previously we just to make a timer. So, if you look here, we got this inside of it like a biggest thing here called game thing, and we add a timer. And inside of a game, if you switch to script, you're gonna see we got this on timer timeout. So basically, this will be sending a signal, but right now they did not actually do anything, just a print. Okay, timeout, 1 second passed, 1 second passed. Of course, you can just change it tiny little bit to make it more interesting. So 1 second passed, 1 second passed here, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. But if you want to actually do something, you can just hide this by coming out, and then you can add a child. Okay, you can add child new code, new code. So what I'm going to do is to actually call this generate code. Okay, so it's this function. I can call that. So 1 second, 1 second. Let me show you. So here, if I run this, 1 second, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And of course, you can add the print statement. You know that you generate 1, generate 1, generate 1. But it's really good right now. Okay? It's nearly finished. And because you can actually here, 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 here. Okay? So actually, you got this. It's really like the game that's when I was a kid I played. So if you're new here, this is like a remake my childhood game. It's an Asia version of a Monopoly, and inside that game you got like a mini game of a catching of this. We call that gold ingots. In Asian versions, more like it's just traditional Asian currency. Okay, it's like really rich people who have this, and yeah. So yeah, pretty good. So remember, we're actually going to send a signal and I actually call that function to generate a child. And when these like reach the bottom, it will disappear. Okay, that's because the code will set process false, which means that we not continue the process. So just stop checking and destroy it, quite free. Okay, but we can also further add some of the signal to the player. So let's think about this. So player basically is a cat. Okay, it's a cat trying to catch all this gold ingots. Okay, but right now the gold ingots just pass through this this cat. So remember, the first time when we decide which kind of node that we want to use, we use something like this. So let's go back here. We use this player, and it's the area 2D. Okay, so look here, it's area 2D. Okay, player area 2D. But if you click the node here, you can see we got signal and we got group. So basically, we can also use this default area 2D signal to say, hey, it's a 2D area 2D, and once you enter, I'm going to like trigger something. Okay, I'm going to send a signal and say, hey, I want to destroy the gold ingot and maybe add some score. Okay, so let's further like just to dive a little bit deeper into the signal, and you just can see how versatile this signal is. So if you look back here, the game, we also got this timer signal, right? And we got timeout signal. Okay, it's just basically the same thing, but we want to go deeper. We'll actually trigger something, actually communicate between different nodes. So let's do that. So player, and we got area entered. Okay, So I'm going to use this. So choose the player, signal, double click, you got something like this. So from signal, area, enter. So basically enter the area 2D. We're going to trigger that signal. And receiver methods on area enter. Remember, this is automatically generated, but you can also manually change yourself. So for example, you can say on area enter. This is too vague, okay? This is too vague. Even though it's kind of attached to a specific like object or specific node, specific thing, whatever word that you prefer. But I want to be precise, okay? Even though it's already attached to it. So I want to say when the goat enter the area. So on goat area enter. So on goat, and when you enter the area 2D, I'm going to trigger that signal. So it's like selling the like trigger, like a mine trigger, something like that. So on goat, I'm going to follow this like on the line here. So on goat area enter. Then of course you can pick multiple things. Okay. Right now I'm going to use the default and connect. This is like using IDE to connect things. So once you initialize it, you can see something like this. So fun, and right now it's like you can stand it outside. Okay. If you look at here, you can also say area entered, and then I'm going to on goat area entered. And yeah, as you guys can see, right now it's a pass. But I'm going to say something by just a print. Okay, so just the same as when we did this by using print. Of course, later we're going to change that to something else, but right now let's just use print to quickly test it. It's a really good practice and really neat trick that if you want to quickly test it or quickly debug, you just print that to the console and see what's going on. Okay, so let's go back here, go to the player. Excuse me. I'm going to print and catch the goat. Okay, so once you enter the area, I'm going to say, all right, catch the goat, catch the goat, catch the goat. Okay, let's try this again. So I'm going to move a little bit, and you guys can focus on here. Okay, catch the goat. Okay, catch the goat, catch, 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 catch. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? So basically, okay, let me just modify a tiny little bit. So remember, you passing the area, okay? So basically, the area is the area 2D. So you sort of, let me just give you 2D. You're entering this area 2D, okay? So what I'm going to do is to actually to print out the area. So what I'm going to do is to plus this area, okay? And let's test it out. It should give you a specific area. So sorry, here. So I'm going to catch this. Okay, just wait here. Okay, so yeah, string or object. Yeah, sorry. Let's just change it. You can't just do the concatenation. Sorry about that. Because yeah, this is really similar to Python. I thought it's Python, so I just you have to change this to a string so you can do the concatenation. So add this conversion to a string, okay? And as you can see, every time I catch, you got to catch the goat, and you got area 2D, and you got like a different places, different, like this is like a string, like a series and number that specify this is the different area, okay? So you can actually see this area. So you might ask, on goat area, enter which area, okay? This is a really vague area. It gives me exactly the name of the area, okay? It's amazing. Catch a goat and specific area. Or you can say, catch a goat, add a specific area, okay? So I'm not going to just do that because it's a really simple one. Just catch a goat adds certain area, okay? It's a really simple one. And don't forget, you can't just do this concatenation. It's like an object You have to like train to get the string out. So yeah, really simple one here. So here come to the quiz. So can you just modify this code a little bit, just like when we are dealing with the game? Instead of just a print, can you like trigger something, send a signal, and then say the gold disappeared, destroy that, and maybe add some score. Okay, here is your challenge. Okay, do please. I can't stress this enough. Every video I stress this. You have to do this yourself. You know, AI is everywhere. You know, it's constantly improving, but we also need to improve. There's no way that when you watch this video and you can magically improve your programming skill, your understanding of how to use how to combine that, how to make a good game. Okay, you have to do it. You have to think actively in order to improve. Okay, so thanks for your time, and don't forget to give me a thumb up so more people can see my video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. All right, thanks, bye.